Hi friends! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to register with the broker BelleoFX. You go to the Forex Broker section, select BelleoFX, and then click on Go to Website. Once you enter the website, you click on Register. And in the registration section, you enter your first name, last name, email address, your country, mobile phone number, and also choose a password. Mixing upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter your password, repeat it to confirm, and click on I'm not a robot. Confirm terms by checking the box, then click on Sign up. After registering, access your account. Remember to upload documents like ID card, passport, etc. to use BelleoFX. And then you confirm the website's terms by checking the box, and finally you click on Sign up. You will access your account. But friends, keep in mind that you need to upload documents like your ID card, passport, and so on to work with the BelleoFX website. Good luck!